Dear students, today we will discuss the last and the important theorem on permutation. The statement theorem is the set an of all even permutations of degree n is a group of order half of factorial n. We will write its proof. Let an set like sigma 1 where sigma is an even permutation on the set of first n natural numbers. Since product of two even permutation is again a even, so we have to show that first an is a group and second one order of an means half of factorial n. It means number of elements. So first we show that an and operation is a composite of function is a group. Since f and g are two elements of an, their product is again n because product of two even permutation is again even permutation. So you can say that operation is closure, or you can say closure property is true. Since identity permutation is always even, so identity element will be exist. Since f inverse, f be any one element or any permutation of an, so let f and f inverse equal to 1. It means identity permutation can be written in this way. I can write 2 in bracket or 3 in bracket or 1 is bracket. So identity permutation is always even permutation. AF and AF inverse both are even permutation or both are odd permutations because two even permutation gives even permutation after their product and two odd permutation gives even permutation of their product. So AF and AF inverse both will be even or both will be odd, but they are contained in n, so both will be even. So AF inverse will be exist. So we can say every permutation, every element of an is invertible because AF is taken arbitrarily. Hence we can show that, hence we have shown that an with operation composite of function forms a group. Now we will show that Asn show that order of n is equal to half of factorial n. Let Asn be symmetric group of degree 3. So Asn set of all permutation on the set A, set containing first natural number. So order of Asn is equal to An, half of factorial n. So Asn has even as well as odd permutations. So let An set of all even permutation and Bn will be set of all possible odd permutations. So let order of n is equal to m. It means m even permutation है. Order of Bn is equal to r. It means there are total number of odd permutations. So order of Asn is equal to m plus r and order of Asn is equal to factorial n. So m plus r equal to factorial n This equation gives 3. Now we consider arbitrary permutation of Bn, that is odd permutation. Now we multiply this permutation by every element of n. So we write GAN. Then since we know that multiplication of even permutation and odd permutation is odd, so we will get all odd permutation. They are m in number. But Bn is the biggest set of odd permutation. So this set will be subset of Bn. Now order of GAN will be less than or equal to order of Bn. Now write down value of this GN M less than or equal to R. This is given 4. Because all GFI are different, because GFI equal to GFJ, so they will be equal if AFI is equal to FJ, because we have taken all our distinct elements. Now we consider G elements belongs to Bn. Now multiply this with Bn. Product of two odd permutation is even permutation. So order of GBN will be less or equal to order of n, because An is the set, is the biggest set containing even permutations. So R less than or equal to M. This inequality gives 5. So by 4 and 5 we can write M equal to R. This equality gives 6. Now equation 2 implies that order of Sn equal to M plus S equal to factorial n. R equal to M, so M plus M equal to n, factorial n. So twice of M equal to factorial n, so M equal to half of factorial n. So what is M? Order of An. So order of n is equal to half of factorial n. It is a complete proof of the theorem. Thank you.